Are you suffering from boredom eating? Okay, has the past year with all the isolations and quarantines and staying at home more, has it led to you kind of craving more food and eating more food than you otherwise would? Well, keep on watching. I'm Aleksa, sports dietitian and nutrition coach, and today I'm going to teach you a nice simple nutrition trick or hack or strategy that you can use to help mitigate this. So if you find yourself going, oh, I really feel like eating X, Y, and Z, something that perhaps maybe you know you shouldn't be eating at that point in time because it's not as part of your strategy, or you know that you're not really hungry and then therefore you're just eating out of boredom, which is not what you want to do, even within the context of flexible dieting, and you can use what I call the apple test. And it actually is very, very simple. First of all, it requires that you actually have apples or some kind of fruit that is very similar in terms of apples, so pears and all that sort of stuff. But basically the apple test goes like this. If you're starting to crave something and you find that you're bored of eating, you're going to ask yourself, if I were to eat an apple right now, would I be satisfied? If you say yes, then that means you're actually hungry. Eat the apple first and then see if you really want to treat afterwards. But if you say that an apple wouldn't do, it means you're not actually hungry, okay? Because realistically, humans will go for something, if they're really, really hungry, they'll eat something that's to satisfy themselves. So that way you can test it out using this method. So if you find that you're like, nah, apple wouldn't do, okay, I don't really want an apple, you're just craving, you're just potentially boredom eating or emotional eating or something like that. And then you want to think about why that is and kind of work from there. But it's a really good way to do this because one, gives you an excuse to eat more fruit, which is never a wrong thing. And it's kind of a good way for you to reframe your brain and make you think about your food before you actually eat, okay? Building up that mindfulness around your food, which is very, very key. Okay, so as an athlete, you want to be mindful of everything that you're doing, including your nutrition. So yeah, try the apple test, okay? Next time when you find that you think you're bored of eating or craving, say to yourself, will that apple satisfy me just the same? If you say yes, then you're hungry, enjoy the apple first, then make a decision about the other food. If you say no, then it's probably just craving. You probably just have to work on it and move on from there. Now, if you want help with this or you want to ask me any questions, please send me a message, send me a DM. It's always open there to help you out. Or you just comment below and let me know how you go with the strategy and if it's helped you out. Okay, talk to you soon. Have a good one. Bye.